Yesterday's class recordings I'll give you. I'll mail you today, today's and yesterday's class also. Yeah. You are able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Up to here we discussed, right, where the 3-point call out.
Yes.
Now connector, anchor editing, and drop shadow, counter tool, blend tool, all these you will see today. Keep it aside. Connector. First connector. Connector is nothing but it will work in in flow charts. You know flow charts, right? Here. Type something chairman. Sorry. The chairman. Chairman. And after chairman, director. Let me fill one color. It will look good. Any color yellow. Let us take yellow. Okay. Let me make this bold. Chairman. And fill one color to blue color. Suppose deputy director. Let me fill one. Subordinate. Deputy director. Okay, let us assume this deputy director. Here, okay. Here, what the connector tool, what it will do, it will connect. I'm clicking on connector tool. Here, you are able to see is a straight line connector, right angle connector. You are able to see these options, right? Rounded right angle connector. I'm clicking on straight angle connector. It will connect like this. Like this. After chairman, director will come. After director, deputy director will come. Like this, it will connect. Now it is okay. Connector is nothing but like this. Even if you move the object also, that connector will be connected to that object only. But if you draw something with line tool, see. 2-point line tool. If I draw something with 2-point line tool, again, if I move this object, this is not this getting connected, right?
Yeah.
I'm deleting this. But whereas in connector tool, it will connect. It will connect the. You can apply this in flow charts and all that. In making some flow chart. Connector tool. This is the connector tool. Okay, and anchor editing. Anchor editing means, suppose if you want to in these two eclipse, there is no node point. If I want to anchor editing, if I want to add some anchor editing means, so yeah, anchor editing. If I want to, yeah, we can draw some nodes. See, one node has come here. You're able to see the node. Here also one node. I'm zooming it. You are able to see the node. Here one node. Anchor editing. If you want to increase the nodes also, you can increase with anchor editing. Now I can draw any line with this. And now I can draw some connector. With the help of connector, I can. Here to here. One node has come from here to here with anchor editing. If I want to increase the nodes also, I can increase. Yeah, see, I double clicking. If you double click, node will come. You're able to see the node. Again, node has come. You are noticing.
Yes.
Anchor editing, you can add the nodes and you can delete the nodes also. You see, I'm deleting the nodes. Okay. Like this. You understood these two, connector and anchor editing? Yeah. First you draw the nodes and after the nodes you can connect. Understood? This is nothing but anchor editing. You can double click on that node. Wherever you want to place, you can place, and after inserting the node, you can keep connect with connectors.
Okay.
Here I am with anchor editing. One node I'm double clicking on this node has come. Again I'm clicking here in the corner, node has come. With anchor, but then I'm going to connector. With connector, I'm drawing here to here connector. This is nothing but anchor editing and connectors. If you want to add the nodes and if you want to connect something, you can. If you want to delete also, you can delete. Okay, like this with anchor editing. Okay, next, you are both you understood, right? Connectors and anchor editing.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next one I'll show you. And next tool, drop shadow. Drop shadow is a very wonderful tool. Let me just now I typed this Ganesh. Okay, let me take one. Okay, let me take this. Okay, I'm changing the color, red color. Okay, with the drop shadow, I can apply some shadow to this text. You can apply shadow to the text. You can apply shadow to the images also. Okay. See,
Okay.
with a drop shadow, I'm selecting with center. From center, I'm applying the shadow. See, you are able to notice the shadow. I'm zooming. You're able to see the shadow, drop shadow.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. This is nothing but drop shadow. If from center, if you drag, it will like this, it will come. And from here also you can drag something like that. But if you drag from center only, it looks good. Okay.
Okay.
And with the drop shadow, 1 minute. Okay. Shadow. If you want to change the color of the shadow also, you can change. Sorry. Yes. Here, drag and drop. Select all. Don't show the style box only. That is coming. Okay, but the shadow, it will look realistic when it is black only. Okay.
Yes.
Don't change the color, but it looks realistic when it is black only. If you change the color, it will not look realistic. Okay, that is nothing but drop shadow. Okay, and in drop shadow, yeah, here you can change the color, not here. You noticed here.
Okay.
Here you can change the color of the drop shadow. See, I'm changing the colors. But it will look realistic when it is black only. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can select the options: flat top right, flat bottom right, flat bottom left. Any options you can select while applying the drop shadow. But this effect is good. Yeah. Always use preset zone. Okay. Next tool is counter tool. Counter tool is nothing but I clicked on counter tool, just I'm dragging like this. You're able to see the effect.
Yes.
This is nothing but counter tool. Just to see carefully. Just with counter tool, I'm clicking on one node, slowly drag. See, this effect has come. If you want to change the outline, you can. Okay, like this it will work. Counter tool. Or some stylish border will come. Counter tool like this. Again, I'm showing. I'm clicking on counter tool. On just I'm clicking this slowly. Just leave it. Again, if you want to increase, just slowly. How much size you want to increase, you can. Okay. This is nothing but counter tool. Next tool, blend tool. Blend tool, I'll show you blend. Okay. Blend tool is nothing but I'm drawing one rectangle here. Suppose let me draw one leaves or something. Okay, first I'll explain shapes. Yellow, and one more box I'm taking. One more I'm filling it with red. With blend tool, just I'm dragging like this from here to here. Slowly color will change. I'm zooming and showing you. First red color is there. Red color has changed the color to yellow. You're able to notice?
Yes.
Red color slowly steps you change it to yellow. If you want to decrease the steps here, you can decrease. Yeah. Select the image and decrease. See, steps are decreased. 20 steps is decreased to 8 steps. Again, select this object, increase the steps. See, steps got increased. Understood? This is nothing but blend tool. It will two colors if you draw. In between these two colors, just blend the drag the arrow mark by clicking that blend tool. Slowly, the color will change. Color has changed from red to yellow. How it has changed, it will show you here. Okay, this is nothing but blend tool. If you decrease the steps, the images will decrease. If you increase the steps, images will increase. Understood? Are you there? Both are you there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, blend tool is over. Distort. Distort tool, I already taught you. It will disturb the image. Distort tool. With the distort tool also, you can create some awesome designs, but needs a lot of practice. Okay. Suppose if I draw this rectangle outline, okay. With distort tool, what we can do with distort tool? See, we can change different shapes with distort tool. It helps in logo creation also. Distort tool. See, just the image which I draw it. Yeah. See how it has changed the shape. Now take Control C, Control V. What you do? Mirror. Yeah. See mirror. Flip. Okay. Like this, you can do some like some designs. Select these two, and you can group it. Right click, click on group. Now this is not separate object. This is only one object. Why? Because you right click it and click on group. Now it is group. Again, you can Control C, Control V. See this design. If you want to change the color of particular thing, you can change. Yeah. Again, Control C, Control V. Okay. And again, I'm applying some color blue. Like this, with distort tool also, we can create some logos. Okay. Actually, it's looking like some logo design only. We can make much better also.
Okay.
And after distort tool, envelope. I'll show you envelope. What is envelope? This text is there, right? Ganesh text. With envelope tool, what you can do means click on envelope, just drag like this. Like this, you can change the shape of the text with envelope.
Okay.
Like this. After that, again, you can apply some counter or anything. Counter. First, select the image. Counter. Just drag like this. Okay. With envelope too. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, I'll show you. Am I going very fast?
No, sir.
You are getting right?
No, no, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Get.
Yeah. With next tool is extrude. Extrude tool is nothing but I'll show you. Just I'm drawing one rectangle like this. I'm filling with outline color. With extrude, just I'm dragging like this. One minute. I'm selecting this rectangle. Extrude. Here is so you are able to see some options. Extrude. I'm clicking on this. Yeah. Able to see?
Yes.
Just increase this. It's looking like some one cotton or something, right? You can apply some designs here also. You can place this Ganesh text here. It's going back, right? And now what you have to do, right click on this Ganesh text, go to order, front of the page. And you can apply some color to this box, only this any color, pink color, okay. For applying, just place this Ganesh text, just adjust. While dragging, click on shift and drag. Then pixels will not get damaged. Here you can place one image or anything. With extrude, you can create some boxes like things in extrude. Okay. Extrude. When you click on extrude, here your options will come. One minute. Yeah, here options will come. You can select. You can select any object, and otherwise you can. Here also some options are there. You're able to see. This option
Yes,
also you can select. You can select and you can change the color also. Okay. It's a use color shading. Here you're able to see one option, right? Color shading. Color shading, and you can change the color. Yeah. This option is for color shading. This option here. Here you're able to, here you can change the color from here. Instead of black color, select any other color. Red color matches to blue. Okay. Yeah.
तिकडे घेऊन गेले कुठे
Okay. You're able to see both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is nothing but extrude. And black shadow, one option is there. That is also like drop shadow only, but it will be so much dark. Drop shadow color will be light, right? Black shadow, how it will look, I'll show you. Typing on extending something. Okay. With the black shadow, I'm selecting this black shadow. See, like this it will come. You have to adjust. Here also you can change the color. Yeah, like this. You're able to see. This is nothing but black shadow. Actually, if you look in black, I changed the color. Okay, instead of black, I changed it to some other color. Okay. Black shadow is over. And I want to.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, screen is not visible. And
You are screen sharing. You are screen sharing. It's coming not visible.
yes. Just now it is visible.
Now it's visible. Yeah, black shadow. You have
Yes.
seen both of you. Black shadow.
Yeah.
Like this it will come black shadow. I changed the color. Instead of black, I kept this. Instead of black, I kept this. Okay, like this it will come. And one, this vector design. Aditya has posted one image in WhatsApp, right? How to do this? Yeah,
Yes,
I'll
yes.
show you. I'll show you. And that is very in CorelDraw. That is very easy. Okay, I'll just import one photograph, any photograph. Within one or two clicks, it will get. Yeah, Amitabh Bachchan. Let us take it as Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, I'm selecting this Amitabh Bachchan. Here you are able to see trace bitmap. Trace bitmap.
Yeah.
Yeah, quick trace.
Yes,
Click on outline trace. Click on outline trace and click on line art. Yeah. Now you are able to see. Like this, we can change, and instead of line art also, you can select any other thing also. Let us try some other option. Trace bitmap, outline trace, logo. Logo, it will look like this. Okay. And trace bitmap, outline trace, high quality image. Yeah, high quality is good. High quality image is good. See, you're able to see I'm zooming. Like this, just that photograph only, we can change it to vector art. That is nothing but vector art. Okay.
okay.
And remaining designs we can do. Remaining that flower cutting, all that we can download from the internet, and we can delete the background, and we can place it anywhere. Okay. This is important. Vector art. How to convert the photograph into vector art. And in this vector art, I will show you one more option that will help you in logo design. That will save your time. Okay, import. This logo, just I downloaded from the internet. If you want to create any logo, you can edit the logos which already exist in the internet. Here I'm clicking this trace bitmap, quick trace. Click on quick trace. Don't go to outline trace and all that. Click on quick trace. Okay, now it's got tracing. Now right click, ungroup all. Now it got ungrouped. Yeah, see, each and every part is getting separated. You're able to notice?
Yes, sir. Yes.
With this part only, what you can do, Yeah, like this. After getting separated, you can change the shapes of this shape, or you can type any other. With text tool, and you can with shape tool you can change the shapes. Any modifications you can do. Okay, like this. After changing, just with move tool, place it here. Okay, and if you want to change the color also, you can change with this. Let the stars it will be white color only. This one, this black color also you can change to some other color. Once you trace it, this is not. This is very important. Image tracing in CorelDraw. Okay, you can reduce this size. You can keep it here. Okay, this is some other logo, right? Okay.
Yes.
And you can delete any other parts, or you can, if you want to apply some color and apply some color, and if you want to place it anywhere also, you can place it like this. Like already the images or logos which are already existing in the internet, just copy paste here and click on just select the image completely. Okay, then go to trace bitmap. Okay, quick trace, click on quick trace, and after clicking on quick trace, ungroup all. Then you can separate each and every part in that logo or image or anything. Then you can change the colors of that image or logo, and you can change the shapes of that image and logo. You can create some other shapes and some other logos with the already existing logos and images in the internet. Okay, this is nothing but image tracing. When you work in corporates also, they will tell you to do this image tracing. This is very, very important, image tracing in CorelDraw. Okay, and one commercial topic I want to show you today. How much time left? 6 minutes, right? You're understanding, right, what I'm teaching?
Yes, sir.
Image, you understood this image tracing?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. I'm really glad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. But now I'm taking new CorelDraw default. Here I'm taking business card. I'm taking in vertical business card. Okay, vertical business card. Actually, I want to show you digital how to make a digital business card. Now I'm filling with the colors, and some icons I downloaded from. You can for making this digital business card. You heard about this digital business card, both of you?
Yes.
Yeah, digital business card. Just I'm applying. Yeah, I'm applying some color. When you click on continuously, if you click, some light color will come. Okay, I applied this light color. Here I am typing one text. Okay, Ram. Let us take this Ram. Ram, I want to change the color. Okay, just Just I want to explain you the subject. We can do more creatively, very beautifully, but if you do everything, the time it takes, it will consume the time, right? I want to explain you the point directly. Okay, Ram, and here kindly click on the below icons to connect with me. Just now, I'm importing some icons here. Import. You were there, right? Both are you? Both are, yeah. WhatsApp. First, yeah. First, I want to import call button. Here, call button has come. I'm clicking Shift key and dragging this. This one more button I'm importing. WhatsApp. These icons you can download from flaticons.com. Okay, flaticons.com is a website. You can download these kind of call button, WhatsApp button, all these buttons you can download from there. Okay. One more button I am putting. Call button, WhatsApp, Gmail. You're seeing, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm doing, I'm clicking on this call button. Okay, I'm going to window. I'm clicking on this call button. I'm going to window. See carefully. Window, Dockers. Dockers. Here you are able to see one. Window, Dockers. Here one option will be there. Links. Yeah, links. You're able to see the option here, links. I click on this links. Okay. Actually, class is getting ended. I think here, call button. What I'm typing here, or see carefully.